Hi, welcome to a tutorial on OpenLM. So what is the OpenLM Broker and what is its benefits? The OpenLM Broker is a component that sits on the license server and it monitors all the license managers and vendors you have there. It monitors, first of all, the license output. It monitors the debug log and gets, first of all, data validation and denial events. It monitors also the license file, the vendor supplied license file, which allows OpenLM to get packages and expiration dates. And lastly, it monitors the options file. If we're talking about a FlexLM license manager, the options file allow for reservation, for including, excluding certain users from certain licenses. Now the OpenLM Broker can read that as well. Now besides that, the OpenLM Broker can buffer information, meaning that once connection to OpenLM server is lost, the OpenLM Broker buffers the information coming from the license managers. So when connection is reestablished, the OpenLM Broker sends out all the information to the OpenLM server, so you won't have any gaps in your data. So your charts will not have any gaps because of maintenance downtime. Installing the OpenLM Broker is highly recommended, but connection to license managers can also be done directly. But you will lose out on all those benefits.